How's it going everyone? I'm Costa, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this loop animation inside Framer. So I already created the breakpoints and I also added a frame. This frame has a padding of 200 pixels for the top and 80 pixels for the bottom. I also added a layout and then distribute center. Amazing. Now let's move to the images. If I click on this image, this is a simple frame with a background. And for this background I choose image instead of solid or gradient. I found this image on Envato Elements and I modified it in Photoshop and I added this overlay and now it looks like a dirty car. Okay, so we also have for each car 2 wheels, and these wheels are supposed to rotate later. So now what I will do, I will select both of the wheels and move them inside this frame of the first car. Make sure that you are as precise as possible to make it look realistic. Then I will select the second wheels and move them in the second frame. Amazing. Now go to Insert, Interactive and click on Ticker. This one you have to move it inside the frame. And now press Ctrl D to duplicate the sticker. Select the first one and connect it to the first car. Do the same with the second one as well. Select both of them. Press and hold Alt and increase the size. Now change the direction to the right. Go to the clipping and click on No. Let's select each ticker individually now and press Ctrl, Alt and Enter to create a stack. Do the same for the second ticker as well. Ctrl, Alt, Enter. Amazing. And I will select both of the tickers once again. Go to the size and change the fixed to relative and then type in 300 like this. Amazing. Let's give it a name to each wrapper of the ticker. So I will name this one Dirty Car and the second one Clean Car. So select now the dirty car and put the distribute to start like this, and we just connected the car. And now let's preview this to see how it looks. Press Ctrl P and it looks amazing. Also it's 100% responsive as well. Now we have to make these wheels rotate. Select the first wheels right here. Go to Effects and click on Loop. Over here make sure that rotate it's on 360 degrees and then click on Transition and put the time on 5 seconds like this. Now right click and click on Copy. Select these wheels right here as well. Go to Effects, Loop, right click and click on Paste. And as you can see, we have a nice animation already. Now I will show you how to add some text behind the car. So let's type something. We clean you right. Now there is a problem, as you can see, so press Ctrl X. Select both of the wrappers of the tickers. Press Ctrl Alt Enter to create a stack. Remove the gap. And now press Ctrl V inside the section to paste the text once again. Select a section, go to direction and put it on vertical like this. Now select the text and drag it on top. Amazing. Now we have to add a stack to the text as well, so Ctrl Alt Enter and select the text, put it on fill, go to max width and over here select fixed. Now I will type in 600. Let's increase the size of the text to maybe 120. This looks right. Select the stack of the text and put the overflow on visible. Go to height and switch from fit content to fixed. Now decrease the size, and we have actually to decrease the size of the tickers as well, otherwise it's not gonna look right. So let's do it like this. This looks amazing. Another thing we have to do is add a padding to the left. Maybe 80 pixels is too much, I don't know. Let's see if we put this on start. Okay, this looks right. Now let's make this text over here smaller, 56 pixels, and maybe let's select a stack and add 24 pixels. Also, the max width should be maybe 320. Yep, this looks almost perfect. Okay, and this is how you create this nice looking animation, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I see you next time.